Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to a profound journey of faith and trust. I am Uday Kurkute, and today, we embark on a spiritual exploration that might just change the way you perceive time and destiny. In our fast-paced world, where we often find ourselves chasing after the next goal or deadline, it's easy to forget one crucial truth: that there is a divine timing to everything in our lives. I've walked a path of self-discovery and spiritual growth, and today, I'm here to share with you the incredible wisdom I've gained along the way. Think of this video as a journey through the petals of your own life, each moment, each experience, unfurling in perfect timing, guided by a higher power. Before we dive deeper into this profound topic, let me share a transformative practice that has illuminated my own spiritual path, the practice of gratitude. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the importance of trusting God's timing but also learn practical steps to incorporate it into your daily life. But first, let's step outside and connect with the beauty of nature. For it's in nature's rhythms that we often find the most profound reminders of divine timing. Remember, my dear friends, by embracing God's timing, we not only transform our own lives but also become vessels of love and positivity, spreading it to others. Before we delve deeper, let's take a moment together, wherever you are, to reflect and say a prayer of gratitude for the divine timing that has brought us here. Thank you for joining me on this spiritual journey. I'm Uday Kurkute, and this is Life-Up-Thoughts. Subscribe for more soul-enriching content, and always trust in the divine timing of your life. Welcome to the first segment of our spiritual journey, where we dive deep into the concept of divine timing. In this segment, we'll explore how this idea transcends cultures and religions, learn from real-life stories, and discuss the vital connection between patience and trust. Our exploration begins with understanding how the concept of divine timing exists in different cultures and religions around the world. It's fascinating to see that this belief is a common thread that unites humanity, from Hinduism to Christianity, Buddhism to Islam, indigenous beliefs to ancient philosophies. The notion that there is a divine plan and timing for our lives transcends boundaries. Now, let me share with you stories of individuals who've experienced the magic of divine timing in their own lives. These are not just stories, they are testimonies to the cosmic orchestrations that guide us. I recall a time in my life when I was at a crossroads, uncertain of which path to take. Just when I needed it most, a chance encounter led me to a mentor who changed the course of my life. Story 1, a chance meeting. It was as if the universe conspired to bring us together at that precise moment. This experience ignited my belief in the power of divine timing. Patience is often the key to recognizing these divine moments. It's about understanding that some things in life can't be rushed or forced. Story 2, the long-awaited dream. I've also witnessed individuals who waited years for a dream to come true, only to find that the timing was perfect when it finally happened. Much like a flower that doesn't bloom overnight, certain aspects of our lives require time to unfold beautifully. Story 3, a series of synchronicities. And then, there are those moments when a series of synchronicities occurs, making us realize that we are indeed on the right path. Each star in the night sky has its place and time to shine, just like every event in our lives has its moment of significance. As we delve deeper into this journey, remember that the concept of divine timing unites us all. It transcends religious divides, cultural differences, and individual beliefs. Stay open to the magic of divine timing, my friends. In the next segment, we'll explore the incredible benefits that come from trusting in it. Until then, embrace the flow of life. Segment 2, welcome back to our spiritual journey of trust and divine timing. In this segment, we're going to explore the remarkable benefits that come from placing our trust in God's timing. It's a path that can lead us to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. In our fast-paced, ever-changing world, stress and anxiety have become all too common. We often find ourselves rushing from one task to another, trying to control every aspect of our lives. But what happens when we choose to trust in God's timing? Let's explore the profound impact it has on our mental and emotional well-being. First and foremost, trusting divine timing reduces stress. When we let go of the need to control everything, we find a sense of peace in knowing that there's a higher plan at work. Embracing the present moment becomes a way of life. We learn to savor each experience, for we understand that it's an integral part of our journey. As we release the burden of trying to force things to happen, our minds become clearer. We no longer carry the weight of worry and impatience. Trusting God's timing is like fitting the pieces of a puzzle together. Suddenly, what seemed chaotic starts making sense. Now, let's talk about something remarkable. When we trust divine timing, it leads to better decision-making. Have you ever noticed that when we rush into decisions, we often regret them later? But when we pause, trust the process, and make choices with patience, they tend to align with our high good. Moreover, the stories of personal transformation that we'll explore later in this video all have one thing in common: they trusted in divine timing. When we trust, we become more confident in our journey. We believe that even in the face of challenges, everything is unfolding as it should. Perhaps one of the most beautiful aspects of this trust is witnessing how it can turn challenges into opportunities, doubts into faith, and despair into hope. As we wrap up this segment, I invite you to reflect on how trust in divine timing can bring peace and clarity to your life. In our next segment, we'll delve into practical steps you can take to cultivate this trust and allow the magic of divine timing to unfold in your life. Stay with me on this journey, my friends, and remember to trust the flow of life. Until then, embrace the beauty of divine timing. Welcome back to our spiritual journey of trust and divine timing. In this segment, we're going to explore practical steps you can take to cultivate trust in God's timing. It's not just a concept, it's a way of living. We live in a world that constantly demands our attention and often leaves little room for patience and trust. But with practice, we can nurture these qualities. Let's start with the first practical step: developing patience. Patience is like a compass that guides us through life's twists and turns. One powerful tool to cultivate patience is meditation. It's a practice that helps us embrace stillness and silence, allowing us to connect with our inner wisdom. I invite you to find a quiet place, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Let go of the rush of the outside world and simply be present in this moment. Imagine your mind as a calm lake. Thoughts may ripple the surface, but beneath lies a deep, tranquil stillness. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Whether it's savoring a meal, walking in nature, or doing a simple task, be fully present in that moment. Another key practice is gratitude. Gratitude opens the heart and aligns us with the beauty of the present. Start a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a sunrise, a smile, or a warm cup of tea. Be of service to others. Acts of kindness not only bring joy to those you help but also reinforce your connection to the greater flow of life. Whether it's volunteering, lending a listening ear, or offering a helping hand, these actions remind us of our interconnectedness. Take time for self-reflection. It's in moments of introspection that we gain deeper insights into our lives and our relationship with divine timing. Ask yourself questions like, what is the universe trying to teach me in this moment? Or, how can I surrender more to the flow of life? And, my dear friends, the most profound step is letting go. Release the need to control every detail of your life. Imagine your worries as balloons. As you release them, visualize them floating away, leaving you with a sense of freedom. As you practice these steps, you'll find yourself smiling more, feeling lighter, and experiencing a deep sense of peace. Remember, my friends, these steps are not about achieving perfection. They're about embracing the journey of becoming. In the next segment, we'll tackle the common challenges that may arise on this path. Stay committed to cultivating trust daily, and you'll witness the magic of divine timing in your life. Until next time, trust in the journey. Welcome back to our journey of trust and divine timing. In this segment, we'll address the common challenges that many of us face on the path of trusting in God's timing. It's important to acknowledge and navigate these challenges with grace and wisdom. We all encounter hurdles and obstacles in life. They can test our faith and make us question whether we're on the right path. But remember, challenges are also opportunities for growth. Let's start by acknowledging these challenges and understanding that they are part of our spiritual journey. Doubt is one of the first challenges that may arise. When life doesn't unfold as we expect, we may question whether we're trusting in the right direction. During these moments of doubt, remember that it's okay to question. It's a natural part of the journey. But also, remember the stories of transformation we've explored earlier, they all started with doubt. Impatience is another common challenge. We live in a world of instant gratification, and waiting can be tough. When impatience creeps in, remind yourself that some things take time. Patience is not about waiting idly but about trusting that the right things are happening behind the scenes. Life's uncertainties can also shake our trust. We may wonder why certain events occur or why we face challenges. In these moments, reflect on the fact that the universe operates according to its own rhythm. And sometimes, we may not understand the why immediately. Setbacks and obstacles can make us feel like we're going in the wrong direction. But remember, they are detours, not dead ends. Embrace resilience, my friends. Every setback is an opportunity for a comeback, and every obstacle is a chance to learn and grow. Maintaining faith can be a challenge when we can't see the bigger picture. But it's during these times that our faith deepens. Know that even when it feels like you're walking in the dark, you are guided by a higher power. Trust that the universe has a plan. As we wrap up this segment, I want you to remember that challenges are not roadblocks but stepping stones to transformation. Stay resilient, keep the faith, and trust the journey, my dear friends. In our next segment, we'll explore strategies to overcome doubts and impatience. Welcome back to our exploration of trust and divine timing. In this segment, we're going to dive into inspiring real-life stories of individuals who have wholeheartedly embraced divine timing and experienced profound transformations. Stories have the incredible power to touch our hearts and ignite our own journeys of faith. Through these narratives, we'll witness the remarkable impact of trusting in divine timing. Imagine a life where every moment, every experience, is a part of a divine plan. We're going to meet individuals who have lived this reality. Story 1, our first story takes us on a journey of healing. Meet Sarah, a young woman who faced a series of health challenges. I had lost hope. But then, something incredible happened. I met a doctor who not only had the expertise but also the compassion to guide me on the path to recovery. Sarah's story reminds us that sometimes, the right people and opportunities appear in our lives just when we need them the most. Her journey exemplifies how trust in divine timing can lead to miraculous outcomes. Story 2, our next story is one of love. Meet James and Emily, two souls who crossed paths in the most unexpected way. We had both endured heartbreak and disappointment in past relationships. But when we met, it felt like the universe had orchestrated our meeting. James and Emily's story reminds us that love, too, follows a divine timing. Sometimes, we need to experience life's ups and downs to appreciate the beauty of true love. Love has a way of finding us when we least expect it, my friends. Embrace the divine timing of your love story. Story 3, our final story is one of a career transformation. Meet Michael, who felt stuck in a job that didn't align with his passion. I had always dreamt of pursuing my passion for art, but I was tied to a desk job. Then, an unexpected turn of events led me to take a leap of faith. Michael's story reminds us that sometimes, we need to trust the process and take bold steps toward our dreams, even when it seems uncertain. Let your passion guide you, my friends. The universe has a way of aligning circumstances to help you realize your dreams. These stories are not isolated incidents. They are reminders of the magic that unfolds when we trust in divine timing. Stay open to the unexpected, embrace your divine timing, and believe that your story of transformation is unfolding beautifully. As we reach the conclusion of our spiritual journey, I want to express my deepest gratitude for joining me on this path of trust and divine timing. We've explored the profound concept of trusting God's timing, ventured through stories of transformation, and learned practical steps to embrace this trust in our daily lives. Remember, my dear friends, that life is a symphony of moments, and each note is perfectly timed by the universe. We may not always understand the why or how, but we can choose to trust. Trusting in divine timing leads us to a life filled with peace, joy, and fulfillment. It's a journey where every step, every breath, is a sacred dance with the cosmos. As you go forth from this video, remember that the power of trust resides within you. You have the ability to surrender to the flow of life and embrace the beautiful unfolding of your unique journey. Extend your trust not only to yourself but to others as well. Be a beacon of love and kindness in a world that often craves such light. And, of course, stay connected with us here at Life Up Thoughts. Subscribe, like, and share this video to spread the message of trust and positivity. As the sun rises each day, know that it does so in perfect timing. Likewise, your life unfolds according to a divine plan, orchestrated with love and care. Thank you once again for being a part of this journey. Your presence here today is a testament to your willingness to trust in the beauty of divine timing. Let's close our time together with a moment of gratitude. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and think of one thing you're grateful for in this very moment. Embrace divine timing, my friends, and may your lives be filled with boundless love, joy, and trust. Until we meet again on this journey, stay blessed.